Hi, you're really excited to tell your audience about your products and services with the help of a short video. Do you want highly engaging whiteboard animations that customers respond to? Of course, your answer is yes. We have an experienced team in this field. We can also help your business get to the next level through great, effective videos. We look forward to helping your dreams become reality. We work in this way. First, we finalize a script that communicates the benefits of your product or service. Second, we provide the best quality voiceover, like the one you can hear in this video. Third, we make an amazing whiteboard explainer video. Fourth, we deliver the video at the promised time. Why choose us? We offer an affordable price on Fiverr, and we make the video in the way that perfectly conveys the intended message. Go forward with us and place your order or contact us for any information you need to get your project underway. Exclusively on Fiverr.